So there's some big news coming out today. Floyd Mayweather Jr. has signed Alex Ariza as his strength and conditioning coach. The relationship he had from a friendly relationship has now turned into a professional one with Alex Ariza. Alex Ariza was watching him train for the fight with Maidana that just passed, but he wasn't training Mayweather. He was giving him tips and just watching him, but he wasn't training him. Now, though, Ariza says, I signed an official contract that I will be training Floyd for the next 2 years. And, so Floyd's got 2 more fights left with Showtime contract, and that's not going to be 2 years. So apparently, Ariza feels Floyd's going to be fighting longer than that because he signed him for 2 years. And if you look at 2 more fights, and if he retired, that wouldn't even be close to 2 years. So maybe Floyd says that he told Ariza that now's the time for me. I need someone like Alex I need someone like Alex now. I need a strength and conditioning coach at this point in my career. And so what do you guys think about this? Ariza is just, I know something's wrong with that guy. There's something that wrong there, because why is he with Pacquiao and Freddie Roach, then he's with Rios, Maidana, and Robert Garcia. Now Garcia doesn't want him. Now he's with Floyd. I don't know. Maybe this is the perfect fit, though. Ariza and Mayweather, maybe that is the perfect fit. But something's not right there. I don't know what Ariza's doing, but no one wants him to keep him around, really. But Mayweather wants him, and anyway, Mayweather, a lot of critics said he slowed down after the last 2 fights. I agree, and we'll see if Ariza can make a difference with Floyd, how he looks in the ring. But what do you guys think about this? Ariza hopping to every different training, every different gym now. Something's wrong there, but anyway, he's officially signed by Floyd Mayweather as his strength and conditioning coach for 2 years, and Floyd has 2 more fights left on his Showtime deal. So there you have it. Apparently it's official. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.